Today I'm bringing two of my most favorite decks for the guidance of the day. So call on the divine and ask them to guide you as usual for which is the card meant for you. This is card 1 and this is card 2. So if it is card 1, then this is the reading for you. It's basically says flow. Allow me divine to move with the flow and respond with the calmness and peace. Maybe there is a lot of anger, there's a lot of disturbances in your mind which is not allowing you to go with the flow. You feel that there are obstacles from the universe because of which you are not able to focus the way you're focusing. So today surrender yourself. Look at the card, you can see how the fishes are moving. So just go with the flow, move, have a swift space. Don't look back, don't think of what happened yesterday, because today is what matters the most. So just go within, find peace within yourself, give yourself a lot of love, do what you like doing, and surrender to the divine that I will go with the flow, and I will only go with the flow in search of love and peace. Now coming to the second card, let's see what is the message for card 2 people. That's a beautiful card, the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, Ace of Pentacles usually comes when there is financial abundance coming your way, when there is a lot of good things coming your way. When I see this, I feel again both the cards are interrelated in one way or the other, and in both it's just saying go with the flow. Even if you see here, I see the hand from the divine, but when I see the circles, it's as if there's something flowing and coming down. So just accept what comes your way today, but I see only good things coming your way. A lot of abundance, prosperity, happiness. There's a lot of greenery in the card. So maybe those who have not been well will find good health today. Those who have been feeling financially low will have good, abundant financial luck today. Have a blessed day, all of you. Thank you.